Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is an 18-inch MDF board in which we are going to create a dot mandala. Actually, I'm starting with no design in mind. Let's see how it goes. I'll start dotting in the center with gold. I'll keep some dots in aqua green. Let me do tiny dotting in aqua green. I'll keep some purple dots. I'll do tiny dotting in purple now. I'll work the dots in aqua green. I'll work the dots in purple. I'll keep some golden dots. I'll do tiny dotting in gold. I'll keep some plumpy dots in aqua green. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Since this paint is little sticky, in case you had to handle such a paint, what you need to do is, instead of keeping all the plumpy dots and then making them into swipes, you can keep some 3 to 5 plumpy dots and make them to swipes immediately. I'm going to try that now. I'll keep plumpy dots in purple. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some golden dots now. So I was not comfortable with this folk art paint at all. So I'm changing this purple and aqua green to light blue and yellow. I'll keep some golden dots. I'll keep some chrome yellow dots. I'll keep some brush strokes in chrome yellow. I'll work the dots in yellow. I'll keep brush strokes in gold now. Let me keep some plumpy dots in yellow. I'll keep some golden dots now. I'll keep some light blue dots now. I'll work the dots in light blue. I'll work the dots again in light blue. I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll work the dots in yellow. I'll work the dots again in yellow. I'll keep couple of brush strokes in light blue. Now I'll keep brush strokes in yellow. Now I'll keep some brush strokes in blue. I'll keep some brush strokes in gold. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some side swipes in yellow. I'll keep a few golden dots. This aqua green and purple were from Folk Art brand and they were extremely sticky. It was coming like a bubblegum. So I couldn't proceed with these colors anymore. So suddenly I changed the colors. I thought I'm going to ruin the dot mandala, but looks like it came out well. What do you think about suddenly changing the colors? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.